Hey everyone, Mike here. Today we're going to try out the pursuit mode in my 2016 Police Interceptor. I haven't seen any other videos on this particular feature of the Interceptor, maybe because it's not really all that exciting, but it is a little known feature about it, and it surprises people when they hear about it. So the Police Interceptor comes with a specially programmed transmission for police use. It tends to hold upshifts longer or delayed, and it'll downshift sooner. But there's one little surprise that you discover, and that is what they're calling pursuit mode. Well, I should probably just demonstrate it for you. When you are in a pursuit, you don't want to wait for the transmission to shift gears and figure out what it wants to do. So what they've done is program it so that basically when you hit the brakes hard, it'll automatically downshift for you, and it'll be ready for you to get back on the gas. It's actually kind of hard to demonstrate, especially without breaking the speed limits. Hit the brakes hard. I'm not gonna get, it didn't work. Hitting the brakes hard, and it downshifts. Now I get on the gas. Hit the brakes hard. I'm not gonna get, it didn't work. Hitting the brakes hard, and it downshifts. Now I get on the gas. That's basically it right there. It just senses when you're driving hard, particularly when you hit the brakes. Not even hard, like if you ease into them, it won't trigger. But if you suddenly hit them hard, it'll downshift and get ready for you to get back on it. The first time I ran into this, I didn't know about it. And it was when I first got the car, and I said, I haven't really tested the brakes. Let me see what they can do, because I don't know, I'm one to always want to know what the limits of the vehicle are. When you know the limits of your vehicle, that helps you in emergency situations to know what you can and can't do. I believe it's gotten me out of at least one accident that happened in front of me, and I probably missed it by an inch, literally. Like, I don't know how I didn't hit that person. It wasn't in this vehicle, it was in my previous vehicle. And I actually attribute that save a lot to, I had a upgraded rear sway bar, and it was a Jeep Grand Cherokee. And without that sway bar, I don't think I would have been able to make the swerve that I did. So for non-law enforcement use, this feature is not all that exciting. It does surprise some people, catch them off guard, but it really doesn't do anything for a non-law enforcement. Regular drivers aren't going to be hitting this very often, nor do they have a use for it for the most part. It's hard to trigger. exactly what triggers it. It's really hard to tell. Like sometimes it triggers and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know if there has to be a certain amount of pressure. That worked. See, it downshifted. I'm not on the gas yet, so now I'm on the gas. And sometimes it doesn't. I don't know if there has to be a certain amount of pressure. That worked. See, it downshifted. I'm not on the gas yet, so now I'm on the gas. So it just needs to be sharp, and I think there needs to be a minimum time that you're on the brakes. It can't just be like a sharp jab and that's it. Like you got to hit it and then hold it for a little bit, and then it'll downshift and be ready for you to get back after the perp. Well, I think that's enough beating on my car for one day. So that's basically it. I mean, this is going to be a short video. That is pursuit mode in the 2016 and other police Interceptor utilities. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell so that you get notified when I get a new video. I just wanted to thank all my subscribers. I recently hit 2,000. I really appreciate everybody subscribed. I love all the subscribers and the comments, even the negative ones. I look to the negative comments as a learning opportunity for myself, and as well as the person making the comment. Hopefully I can educate them a little better about what I'm doing and why I do it. I probably need to make a video about that because there's a lot of confusion as to why I have this car, and you know, well, just read the comments and you'll find out. But I will say, anybody watching this who's wondering why I do have this car, please read the descriptions in my videos. It is explained there. You can also go through the tons of comments, and I comment on it very often. Please don't make, well, whatever. You can make any comment you want. I don't care. If I did care, I wouldn't keep posting videos. So thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time. Sorry it's been so long since I had a new video about the Interceptor. I know a lot of you guys, a lot of my subscribers are interested in this, and it's just been hot, and I was actually away the first part of the year, and